very, very happy to announce that yesterday the board approved the demerger of the real estate business. I think it is very, very clear path for the Raymond Group to unlock value for the shareholders. And if you see in that step, when the business matures up to a certain level, then we want to show to the world that it is a pure play, net debt free listed business. As we have demonstrated that we did the lifestyle business last year after the sale of the FMCG and making it a net debt free listed business on a pure play basis, which is getting the book record date is happening on the 11th. So everything is done. Now, as we have scaled up in the real estate business, and this was the philosophy very, very clearly underlaid that we will have the businesses which will have a standing on its own feet, and then we would do a pure play businesses. And as we delivered 1600 crore plus revenues in the business, 370 crore EBITDA, and 2400 crore of bookings. And as we speak today, this company is not just focused only on the Thane development, which is the own land. However, it has gone beyond Thane. And we have signed the four JDAs, which amounts to almost 7,500 crores. So if I look at it as a business, we have got a right mix and not focused only on Thane land. So together, we see a scalable, and any demerger takes anything between 14 to 16 months. So we believe by that time, when the demerger really goes into effect, this company has reached, and today itself, it is one of the top 5 builders in the MMR region. And I think that is an opportune time. Now, the reason why we do and why we believe this demerger would be beneficial for everyone and for the growth of the company is 2, 3 very critical. One, what happens is there are a certain pool of capital which could be attracted for a pure play business vis-a-vis if you have a company where you have engineering as an investment and a real estate as a business. So I think that is one very, very important aspect. And in a real estate business, we need to bring capital at some point of time. Though today, when we have announced, as you see, the 31st March 2024, the company is real estate business itself is sitting more than 600 crore of cash. So every year we have a business plan which throws significant amount of cash, as we believe in 20 to 25% EBITDA margin for the business. So if I look at it, the total potential as we speak today of this business as it stands over the next 7-8 years is in the range of 32 to 35,000 crores. And we continue to sign JDS. So roughly, as I have mentioned earlier also with you all, that we see in the next 3 to 4 years, this company can hit easily a revenue of 4,000 crores with a 25% EBITDA margin, almost like 1,000 crore. So which is substantially good for itself to can run on its own steam. As far as Raymond is concerned, we are very clear that we want to build businesses out of Raymond Limited and do the right structure, bring the company to the investor community, to the bankers, to everyone when it is right. And I think that is the step which we have followed. Plus, it will have very focused board, professional management team. We are already in place. I think everything will be done in a manner that it is a standalone, net debt-free, pure play listed entity.
Right. Got it. And, Amit, so I want to understand, the business side of things for the real estate business. At present, where are the revenues coming from? Is it the premium luxury segment, or is it the mid segment, or affordable houses? And where will your focus be going forward?
Sure. So look, first of all, let me give you a brief outline that in Thane, we have got 100 acres of land, which currently we are building almost on 40 acres, which translates to a revenue base of 9,000 crores. Now, what we are doing in this, we want to say, our motto is, let's say, build India 1, 2, 3. So what we are thinking is 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. Now, the definition of an affordable home, unfortunately, in Mumbai, everything crosses beyond a certain level of value. So therefore, it does not qualify into an affordable as per the definition given in the country. However, if I look at the kind of product which we are delivering to the market, even our 1 BHK, which starts from a 370 square feet, which sells currently around 80-85 lakhs of rupees, you can get kind of amenities which competing builders are not in a position to provide. And what we are trying to give is not you just an apartment. We are focused on giving you a lifestyle. So we have created sort of a branded products, as we believe Raymond is known for the brand which you all know for ages. I think what we've been able to do is that we have got 10x, which is exponential living, which is a 1 BHK, 2 BHK. The second product is a 3 and a 4 BHK, which is called Address by GS. And the third big thing is called the Invictus by GS, which is like a 4 and a 5 BHK, which is very large apartments. And so we are catering to all segments. But as we have experienced in our Raymond fabric business, that always the belly of the market is a middle 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK. And that is a very big focus. This is at Thane. Now, I told you that we have signed 4 JDAs, which is covering another 2 million square feet, over 7,000 crore of revenue, which is in Sion, Mahim, Bandra, and Bandra East. I think that is also in the middle class, which ranges anything between 35,000-40,000 rupees a square feet, which covers 2 BHK, 3 BHK, and a 4 BHK. And I think that's going to be our focus. So as we speak today, between Thane and the JDS what we have signed, we are talking about 6 million square feet carpet area under construction as we speak today.